Good morning, students of class 12th. Today we will discuss about the illustration number 5, which is related to the fluctuating capital. As in our last lecture, we have discussed about the fixed and fluctuating capital accounts. Okay. Today we will do the capital account, which one is fluctuating. Okay. So let's start the illustration number 5. As it is given that Shiv and Hari, as you can see, Shiv and Hari entered into partnership on 1st April 2013. शिव और हरी दो पार्टनर्स हैं. कब पार्टनर्स बने वो 1 अप्रैल 2013 को. कंट्रीब्यूटिंग 5 लाख. सी इट इज रुपीज़ 5 लाख. ओके, यस 5 लाख. ओके, एंड रुपीज़ 2 लाख. इट मीन्स शिव had given the capital of rupees 5 lakh and Hari has introduced with capital of rupees 2 lakh. Okay, Hari also introduced rupees 1 lakh as additional capital on 1st of July. Okay, as you can see that Hari has also introduced a capital of rupees 1 lakh on 1st of July. Now as you can see that they agreed to share profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. And we are given with the following information. Information is Shiv and Hari each are allowed a salary of rupees 5,000 per quarter. It means in each and every quarter Shiv and Hari will get a salary of rupees 5,000. How many quarters are there in a year? Yes, 4. So Shiv will get 4 into 5,000, that is 20,000. 20,000 rupees as a salary, and Hari will also get the same amount as the both of the partners are getting 5,000 rupees per quarter as a salary. Okay. Interest is to be allowed on capitals at the rate of 8% per annum and charged on drawings at the rate of 10% per annum. As we can see, firstly interest is to be allowed on capitals at the rate of 8% per annum. Okay, how will we calculate the interest on capital? As you can see that Shiv had introduced rupees 5 lakh. We are given with that Shiv has introduced rupees 5 lakh. Okay, and Hari's capital was rupees 2 lakh. So Shiv will get 8% interest on capital on rupees 5 lakh. Okay, 5 lakh was his capital. So he will get 8% on 5 lakh and it will become 40,000. 40,000 is the interest on capital which will be given to the Shiv. Okay. Now next Hari. Hari has introduced rupees 2 lakh in the starting, on which he will get 8% interest on capital. So his interest on capital will be rupees 16,000. In the same question we are given that Hari has introduced 1 lakh more additional capital on 1st July 2013. Okay, so from July 2013 to March 2014, how many months are there? Look, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 9 months are there, na? Okay, as we can see 9 months are there. So we will give interest on capital to Hari according to the 9 months. Okay, and at the rate of 8%. So we will get 6,000 rupees. Okay, for the 9 months at the rate of 8% on rupees 1 lakh, we will get interest on capital as 6,000. Okay, so 16 plus 6, 22,000. How much amount of interest on capital will Hari get? Hari is going to get interest on capital as rupees 22,000. Okay. Now we are given that there will be interest on drawing charged on drawings at the rate of 10% per annum. 10% per annum है ना? So what will we do? We are not given the time when they had withdrawn their amount. Okay. So we will give the interest on drawing according to the 6 months. Okay, if nothing has given related to the timing of the withdrawn amount, then we will charge the interest as per the Yes, 6 months. Okay, according to the 6 month, we will assume that they had withdrawn in the half of the year, in between the year. Okay, so she will get how much amount he had withdrawn. See, drawing of Shiv and Hari during the year were 12,000 and 10,000. As you can see, Shiv has withdrawn 12,000 and Hari has withdrawn 10,000. So Shiv will be charged with the interest on drawing on rupees 12,000 and Hari will be charged with the interest on drawing on rupees 10,000. Okay, so Shiv will give interest on drawing as rupees 600 for the 6 months and Hari will give on rupees 10,000 at the rate of 10% per annum as rupees 500 for the 6 months. Okay, so we will, what do we have to do? Profit as at 31st March 2014 before the above mentioned adjustment. It means we have not made any kind of these adjustment in our account, in any of the accounts. Okay, and at that time we have the profit of rupees 1,96,000. It means this profit is in accordance to the profit and loss account. Okay, now what do we have to do? We have to prepare necessary journal entries relating to appropriation of profits, profit and loss appropriation account we have to make, and partners capital account. So let's start. First of all, in the books of Shiv and Hari, what do we do? First of all, we will make journal entries. Okay, firstly we will transfer the profit of profit and loss account to the profit and loss appropriation account, and its entry will be profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. How much amount will be transferred? It will be 1,96,000, as you can see it here. Now what do we do? First of all, we will give salary to Shiv and Hari. Okay, as I have told you that Shiv will get rupees 20,000 for the whole year and Hari will get the same amount for the whole year. Okay, we are given with the quarter now and we have to calculate for the whole year, for the complete year. So he will get 20,000. Salary account debit to Shiv's capital account. As you can see, to Shiv's capital account it is 20,000 and to Hari's capital account it will be rupees 20,000. Okay, both will get 20,000 each. So salary account will be debited with rupees 40,000. Now this amount will be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to salary account. Okay, now in the same way interest on capital will be given to the partners. Okay, interest on capital account debited 62,000. How? 40,000 was of Shiv's capital, interest on Shiv's capital account now, and 22,000 was the interest on capital on Hari's capital. Okay, so interest on capital account will be debited with 62,000, to Shiv's capital account 40,000 and to Hari's capital account 22,000. Okay, now profit and loss appropriation account, we will transfer this amount of 62,000 to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, profit and loss appropriation account debited to interest on capital account. All right, now the drawings, interest on drawings, it is at 10% per annum. We have to be charged now. It have to be charged. So Shiv account debited, Hari's capital account is also debited with 600 and 500 as we have calculated it, to interest on drawings account. Okay, it is a charge on their capital now, then hence both of the capital accounts will be debited with the amount. Okay, as they are charged. So it will be 1,100 in total interest on drawing, and after that interest on drawing account will be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. Is it clear to you? Now let's see the last entry. We will transfer the balancing amount of actual profit which has to be distributed between the partners. Okay, profit and loss appropriation account debited. After all these adjustment, the profit which comes, it has to be distributed among the partners in the ratio of, yes, 3:2. Okay, so we will get 95,100 rupees as a profit after making all the adjustments. So what will be the entry? It will be profit and loss appropriation account debited 95,100 to Shiv's capital account 57,060 and to Hari's capital account 38,040. Okay, this amount is distributed among both the partners in the ratio of 3:2. It is the profit, actual profit. Okay, so profit and loss appropriation account, interest on drawing, it is a charge on their capital. Okay, so it is a, yes, it is a earning for the firm, so it will be credited to the account. Okay, and it is the charges which has to be given to the partners, it will be debited in the firm's account. Okay, so salary, interest on capital, everything is debited in the firm's account. It is profit and loss appropriation account. And partners capital account, as you can see in the starting, on 1st April they have introduced the capital of 5 lakh and 2 lakh. On July 1st, Hari has introduced rupees 1 lakh as an additional capital. On 31st March, yes, salary, how much amount of rupees 20,000 each. Okay, to the each of the partner will be given to them. Interest on capital, it is the earning of the partners, it will be credited in their accounts. Okay, 40,000 of Shiv and 22,000 of Hari. And profit and loss appropriation, as we can see, Shiv will get 57,060 and Hari will get 38,040. Both the amounts will be credited there. Okay, now the charges, 2 drawings, okay, 12,000 and 10,000, it will be debited in their account. To interest on drawing, it is also a charge, it will also be debited in their account. And the balance, the balancing figure will be written here, the totaling of this one, and it will be, yes, this amount will be deducted from this amount. Okay, and the balancing figure will be written here. Is it clear to you? Yes. So now your homework is, do your question number 5 and try illustration number 6 and 7 both. Okay, so best of luck students for your questions. Thank you.